Hello everyone, this is Irma with my note cards, and today I wanted to show you my special cards that I've been working on. These cards are all one of a kind, and I'm not sure yet as to whether or not I will be putting them on my Etsy shop, but I know that I will be bringing them to the next craft fair that I'm attending in a couple of weeks. I just wanted to show them to you one by one. They are my quilt card designs. Each of them is one of a kind, of course, and they are a lot of fun to make. They're all blank in the inside. Okay, and this is one pattern. And usually what I do is I make them with a square punch, two square punches that are two different sizes. And I take my pattern paper and I usually will choose one with a design and another one blank with no design or minimal design. So here we have these. If you can see, they're two different patterns. Now, let me just give you a little bit of background. I started making these quilt patterns several years ago when someone I know requested some note cards to give as a gift to their aunt that was really into quilting. And needless to say, she really loved them. So here's another. Okay, and here's another, and they're all very, very different. I've included a button in the center of each of them to kind of anchor my design. So let me know what you think of these. I will be creating more, and again, I might be putting them on my Etsy shop, not quite sure yet. If you are interested in how I made them, then please leave a comment down below. And if I do get enough people who are interested, I will make a tutorial where I will demonstrate and create right in front of you a quilt card, a quilt note card. Have a great day, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.